Hello friends, this video on number systems part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let's take some numerical now. We have to show that 3.14268 is a rational number. And we have to write in the P by Q form. Obviously, if it is in the rational number, we can easily write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. See, looking at this number only, you can say that it is terminating or non-terminating. It is terminating. Since it is terminating, it has to be a rational number. Right? So, you can write that since it is terminating, it is a rational number. Okay. If you want to talk about P by Q form, I can easily write 3.14268 as 3142678 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, 3 6 zeros, and that is my P by Q form. Okay, pretty easy. Show that this is a rational number and express in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. If you see here, is it terminating? No, it is non-terminating. Since it is non-terminating, it can be either rational or irrational. Correct? So in case of rational, it has to be repeating. In case of irrational, it will be non-repeating. So let's check. It is repeating. Since it is repeating, it is a rational number, right? So I can say that since it is non-terminating and repeating, it is a rational number. Okay, if you want to write in the form of P by Q, you can actually do this. You can actually write this as 0.3 with a bar. This bar denotes that 3 is repeating. Okay. So if you want to find the form in the P by Q form, I can say that x is nothing but 0.3333, the list continues. Let's multiply with 10 because the number that is repeating is 3. It's only one unit that is repeating. So 10x will be what? 3.3333. If you subtract these two, 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 3.333 minus 0.333. That is 3. Or x is equal to 3 by 9, and that is nothing but 1 by 3. Okay. Please note, since only one unit was repeating, we multiplied with 2. 10. If 2 units were repeating, we should have multiplied by 100. If 3 units, then 1000. Okay. So let's take one more example. So we have to show that this is a rational number. So here if you see, this is also non-terminating. So non-terminating, it will be rational only if repeating. So if you see there is a repeat, 27 is a repeat. So non-terminating and repeating. Since it is non-terminating and repeating, so a rational number. So let's find write in the form of P by Q. So I'll say x is 1.27 dot dot. Here I have to multiply with 100. Why? Because in that case I get 127.27. So in this case, you see that the numbers after decimals are same in both the case, so I can easily subtract. So 100x minus x is 99x, and this becomes 127.2x minus 1.2x. So this portion and this portion will get cancelled when you subtract actually till here actually. So you get 127 minus 1, that is 126. Okay, so you get x as 126 by 99, and that is the answer. For example, 5.2 minus 3.2 is how much? Tell me. That is 2. 5.8 minus 2.8 is how much? 3. Because 0.8 cancel. Same thing here. 127.27272727 discontinues, and 1.27272727 discontinues. Subtract this part cancels, so you get 126. Okay. You have to show that this is the rational number. So again, if you see here, this is non-terminating decimal expression. For this to be a rational number, it has to repeat, and let's see if there is a repeat. 2, 3, 5. So you see 3, 5 is a repeat, right? So it is repeating. Please note, repeat should not start here from here. Repeat can start from anywhere. So if you see here, 3, 5 is repeating. This part is repeating. So it is a rational number. Okay, so let's multiply. Let's convert this into P by Q form. So if I assume x is equal to 0.23523353535 like that, or let me write for simplicity 0.235 bar. This when you say bar, that means 35 is repeating. So what I have to do is first I have to put a point here somehow, right? Point and then repeating, because we have seen that what we did was 3.1818 like that, and it is 2.1818. Then we can actually cancel this part. So we have to make this repeating part just after the point. So we'll multiply with 10. So you get 10x is nothing but 2.35. Okay. Now since 2 units are repeating here, so we'll multiply with this expression with 100. This whole thing will multiply with 100. So 100 into 10 is about how much? 100. X is 2.35 into 100. Both sides will multiply with 100. So what you get is 1000x is 235.35. Why we did that? See, first we multiplied with 10 just to make sure that this dot is just before the repeating part, and we got this. Once we got this, we have to multiply with 100 units because 35 is repeating 2 units, and we got 235.35. Now if you see, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you subtract these two, you get 1000x minus 10x, that is 990x, is equal to 235.35 bar minus 2.35 bar. And that is how much? 233. I can show you 235.35 bar, and this is 2.35 bar. Subtract, so you get 233.0. Okay, so with this, x is 233 by 990, and that is my answer. Okay. So let's do a quick recap of rational and irrational number in decimal expression. So we have seen that real numbers are classified as rational number and irrational number. Okay, so as far as decimal is concerned, decimal expression, rational numbers will either be a terminating decimal, or it will be non-terminating but repeating. If you talk about irrational number, there is only one option, that is non-terminating and non-repeating. So example of irrational number was For example, pi 3.14. The list continues. Example of terminating decimal was 1.25. Non-terminating, non-repeating, for example, 1.272727, like that. Okay. So let's take one example. The question is this a irrational number? Do you see any trend of repetition? At least I don't see. I don't see any trend. You see 233 here, there is no 233 here. So it is non-terminating for sure, because there are dots here. It is non-repeating as well. So since it is non-terminating, non-repeating, it is irrational number. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality educational videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.